Welcome to another Spotlight review. This time we're checking out the Homewood Suites by Hilton in Boston Seaport District, a dual-branded hotel that shares its building with a Hampton Inn. From the outside, the hotel has a sleek and modern appearance that fits perfectly into the urban waterfront setting there. Inside, the lobby is spacious and inviting, with large common areas that double as the breakfast space in the morning. Now keep in mind that this is Boston, so parking will be really expensive. The hotel offers valet parking right at the entrance, but there's also a public parking garage across the street if you prefer to self-park. Let's talk about the room. I stayed in a king studio suite, which came with a surprisingly large kitchenette. It features a stovetop, microwave, full-size fridge and freezer, sink, coffee maker and all the essentials for longer stays. There's a small desk area with a moderately comfortable chair, enough for some light work or emails. The Hilton bed is also cozy as you'd expect, and it's complemented by a small sofa across from it. One smart detail, the TV is mounted on a swiveling arm, so you can easily watch from the bed, the desk or the sofa, whatever suits your setup. The bathroom is split into two sections. A front area with a sink and a built-in closet that includes an ironing board and a safe, and a rear section with a toilet and a walk-in shower. The hotel still offers classic bar soap at the sink and in the shower, while shampoo, conditioner and lotion come in pump dispensers. Bonus points, by the way, for making the circuit breaker panel accessible. I used it to cut off the bright microwave display overnight. From my room on the 10th floor I had a great view of part of the harbor. You can even spot planes flying in toward Boston Logan Airport from the south. But the soundproofing is excellent, I didn't hear a thing. In the morning the hotel offers a classic Homewood or Hampton-style breakfast buffet. Scrambled eggs, toast, cereal, do-it-yourself waffles and more. It's nothing fancy, but it's reliable and convenient. Overall, the Homewood Suites by Hilton Boston Seaport District offers modern comfort, great room functionality and a solid location. If you're planning a longer stay in Boston, this place definitely deserves a spot on your list.